Hi, welcome to CJY Money Entertainment. And I got a box, so I'm excited because I get excited when I get a box. Because I get to use my knife on the box. So I'll open it up. Let's see what's inside. Bye-bye knife. Okay. I got a slip. Oh, I know what this is. We don't need a box. This is a blanket for dogs and cats. So let's open it up. It's packaged nice. Double wrapped. This is great for a gift. It's got a bow already tied to it, and it's in a ear vacuum bag. So let's open up the ear vacuum bag. And see how it looks inside. This is very well packaged. And it's great for a gift with it being Christmas time. If you're interested in this doggy, ooh, this is nice and soft blanket. It comes already like wrapped in a bow. For the holiday, in my description, I will leave a link to this in this video. So just go in the description and look for the link to get this. This is so nice and soft. It is machine washable. It says please wash alone. I would do this in a gentle cycle. And you tumble dry on low. You don't bleach and you don't iron. It comes in a variety of pretty colors as well as black and gray. Nice little bow. And it comes in small, medium, and large. It's lightweight. It's very soft. And this one is a large because my dog thinks she's a large dog. She's in between a medium and a large. And this is how big this is. This is very soft. It's also a protector if your dog sheds. It's machine washable, gentle cycle, cold water, tumble, cool. This will be available in the link in my description. When you hit that link right now, there is a coupon for 5% off as well. So make sure you hit that coupon as well. And you'll get an extreme discount for this blanket. And there goes my baby. Throw your likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button because you want to see more of me and my things and my cozy and soft things. Ooh, I need this for myself. It's so soft. Likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button because you want to see more.